From evil 60s Trans Am racers to Le Mans winning GTs, the Ford camp has always offered a full portfolio of unique cars and fabled powertrains. And in the world of specialty pony cars, it doesn't get much more powerful or exclusive than a 428 Eliminator. The beneficiary of a professional ground-up restoration that utilized many original and NOS components, this 1970 Cougar features a correct layer of competition blue that's highlighted by traditional Eliminator war paint. Take one look down the sides of the car's stylish body and it becomes obvious that great care was taken to ensure every panel is aligned to better than factory standards. And glossy surfaces, which according to this Mercury's Restore, are the product of mostly original sheet metal. Between the doors, a correct White Clarion Knit Décor interior features correct vinyl seats that, in honor of their pre-restoration appearance, have been upfitted with stylish black appointments. A symmetrical dash found rebuilt gauges next to correct 8-track audio. A factory console floats a traditional Hurst shifter, and the driver spins an ornate wood-trimmed steering wheel. Hoist the hood and you'll find 428 cubic inches of legendary numbers-matching V8 that looks as fresh as the day it rolled out of the restoration shop. Bolted to that legendary V8 is a numbers-matching Toploader 4-speed that spins a tough 9-inch axle. As one of Dearborn's coolest combinations of performance and style, well-restored Eliminators present excellent opportunity for savvy investors. Mixing a correct restoration with a storied drivetrain, this incredible coupe is an ideal candidate for rounding out any serious collection. For more information, call, click, or visit rkmotors.com.